Okay, so hello everyone. So today I'm going to tell you about the bar in Microsoft Word, right? Okay, so the top here we call title bar. In this title bar, tell us about the name of the program. Like this program is Microsoft Word. So you see the word here and the name of the the document. So welcome to learn English. This is the name of the document, right? And this bar we call the title bar, right? And this bar we call quick access bar, right? Okay, so you have save here and redo, undo, right? And print previews here, right? Okay, this is quick access bar. And one more, uh, this bar we call menu bar, right? Menu bar we have file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, and so on here, right? And in menu bar, in each of the menu bars here, we have the formatting bar below here, right? Formatting bar here, we can use it for our document to to work here, right? Okay, this is we call formatting bar. Insert here also have, right? Okay, insert, design, layout, and so on. Okay, and this is we call line. Okay, and this we call scrolling bar, up and down scrolling bar, right? And this one is we can zoom in, zoom out, right? Plus sign here we have zoom in. Okay, and this is zoom out, right? Smaller and bigger. Okay, okay, one. And in this one we have page. This page we call tell us about the page number that we work, right? And this is the word, count the word that we already typed, right? And the language that we use in this document, right? And you see here, right? Blink here we have the cursor, all right? Tell us the place where we work. We start work or continue to work, right? Okay, so now finish for my video, right? How to show you about the bar in Microsoft Word, right? Okay, and I'm going to have more video for the next about Microsoft Word, right? If you want to see more, don't forget uh, like, share, and subscribe to my channel also. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.